Waking up. I wake up early. The soft morning light warms my face. Drinking. I sip my hot coffee. It smells like a cozy kitchen. Reading. I read a thick book. The pages flutter in the breeze. Cooking. I cook a simple meal. The steam rises from the pot. Walking. I walk in the forest. The green leaves whisper to me. Watering. I water my garden. Every drop makes the flowers happy. Writing. I write a long letter. My pen flows smoothly on paper. Watching. I watch the raindrops. The world looks so peaceful today. Cycling. I ride my bicycle. I feel the fresh wind in my hair. Eating. I eat a crunchy apple. It tastes like summer sun. Brushing. I brush my long hair. I look at the old wooden mirror. Opening. I open a secret box. I find a small treasure inside. Petting. I pet my fluffy cat. She purrs in the afternoon light. Listening. I listen to the piano. The music feels like a dream. Buying. I buy warm bread. The bakery smells just like home.